Are you ready to take control of buying one of your biggest investments? Well, let me tell you, you don't need a travel agent to book your next vacation. And you don't need a realtor to buy your next home. With the right mindset and the proper tools, you can do it all by yourself. Let me show you how. Hello again, this is Connie, the owner of Buy Without Realtors, guiding you with the knowledge and tools to confidently buy your own home on your own. And I know that you may think that it is impossible to buy your own home on your own, but I'm here to tell you it is possible. And all it takes is a shift in your mindset. It is actually a lot easier than you think, and I am here to help you every step of the way. So let's get started. First things first, you do need to feel confident in your ability to make this happen. You know, home buying is all about planning, preparing, having the right tools. And think about it. If you were planning a vacation, would you just hop on a plane and go someplace? No. You would actually plan the hotel, the airlines, what you're going to do. Well, the same thing is what you would do if you're buying a home. You've got to plan for where the home is going to be. You've got to understand what the market is like. You need to know how to negotiate. And you really don't need somebody that's going to make those decisions for you. You can be in control and handle this entire process by yourself. Now, it's not like you're going to be doing this all by yourself. You know, there are so many tools available that'll help you navigate this entire process. Tools like online searches, and there's legal document preparation assistance for you, as well as my videos. You can watch my videos for the step-by-step process on how you can buy your own home. So you're not totally alone. And by watching this video, kind of lets me know that you're really kind of thinking about it and you're actually more confident than what you think. So think about it. When was the last time you actually used a travel agent? A travel agent that would book your hotel, book your flight, book your activities. Times have changed. Your mindset needs to change. Buying your own home needs to change. And with a little bit of research, who's to say what you can do on your own, and of course, with the help of Buy Without Realtors. With that mindset shift, you will be a real estate expert in no time. So what's the bottom line? You have the power to buy your own home on your own. And with the right mindset and a little bit of confidence and the tools necessary, then you can buy your own home on your own without using a realtor. And if you're ready to take control of this home buying process, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this to assist you. And don't forget to check out my website for my real estate glossary, which gives you the real estate terminology, and it breaks it down in layman's terms so that you can understand just exactly what it is you're signing, and when real estate professionals talk to you, you'll understand what in the world they're talking about. Because understanding real estate terminology is half the battle. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.